Namaste. Welcome to Katimerayoga. Today, this free online session will be touched on pranayama. This is one of a powerful yoga breathing technique. It's known as Kapalabhati yoga breathing technique. Before you come to this part of the video, you should have already go through the 16 benefits that I have actually provided from practice this yoga breathing technique. And of course, there are some precautions you need to take note while practice this yoga breathing technique. It's different from those other breathing technique like the deep abdomen breathing technique, alternate nostril breathing technique, which is actually can be suitable for everyone. But this Kapalabhati, there will be some precaution you need to take note. For those people who have heart problem, high blood pressure, hypertension, if you can still practice, but you will practice it slow, with acceleration, instead of fast. You just do it slow, because if not, you might lead to increase this high blood pressure. At the same time, some people might experience dizziness and headache. And please do not practice this breathing technique after a meal. If not, you will experience this vomiting sensation. In fact, any kind of breathing technique, you are not supposed to practice it after a meal. Even yoga practice, even yoga postures, you are actually not supposed to practice any yoga after a meal. For women that are actually pregnant, and ladies, during your menstruation, you have to avoid this breathing technique. So for today, this online session, I will teach you how to practice this breathing technique step by step, and how you can actually practice this breathing technique for those people who actually high blood pressure or hypertension. So for today's practice, we'll be doing this breathing technique just by sitting down, using the technique, just focus on the exhalation, and how to contract your abdomen in with exhalation. And in my next video, I will be also bringing out this Kapalabhati, how to practice it in a more fun and interesting way, by making use of some body movement and action. So please don't forget to follow me after this video session for the next video. So are you ready now? Let's begin now. Everyone, get ready on your yoga mat. If you are not comfortable sitting on your yoga mat, you can actually in fact sit on the chair to practice this yoga breathing technique. It doesn't matter whether you're sitting on the floor or sitting on the chair. Most important, your spine must be straight. You must be able to sit tall. As I mentioned, yoga breathing technique, the most important is the spine. It must be erecting up straight. Even any yoga posture you are doing, your spine must be straight. So therefore, you'll be able to sit tall is very important. If you're really not comfortable sitting on the yoga mat, you can just sit on the chair. And if you want to still sitting on the floor, if you have some tightness, tension at the hips region, or have problems sitting up with the spine erecting up straight, you can actually maybe try to get a yoga block by sitting on the block, or something that actually can help to lift up lift up this hip, okay, so that you will not have so much tightness at the hips regions there, then you will be able to sit tall, okay, with the spine erecting up straight. Okay, so most important, you must be feeling comfortable, okay, sitting with the spine erecting up straight. Okay, before we start this breathing technique, okay, Kapalabhati, okay, you have to remember Kapalabhati is actually focused on the exhalation, okay. So it's actually focused on the exhalation, okay. So when you exhale, you try to brush out the air out, okay. Something like this, okay. Okay, not slow. Okay, just try to brush out fast. So it's actually focused on the exhalation here, okay, and it just depends the speed, okay, what is the speed, okay, for beginner, okay, and for those people who have high blood pressure, hypertension, okay, as I mentioned, you try to do slow, okay, with exhalation, okay, you don't start with fast, okay, you just start with slow. And you can also start with the pace slow also, okay. Okay, for beginner learner, you can also start with slow pace, okay. And this breathing technique is not only about the exhalation, okay, it's also when you exhale, you are supposed to contract abdomen in, okay, and it's a fast one, okay. As you observe, okay, I place my hand on my abdomen so that it's easy for you to see, okay. When my abdomen moves, my hand will also follow, okay. You can notice when I exhale, my abdomen is actually contract in, and it's a fast one, okay. Because you are exhale fast, that's why it's a fast. It's a in contracting inward. Got it? So your spine must be straight, okay? You can start with slow pace, okay? Okay, from there, then when slowly you practice regularly, you can actually slowly increase your speed. Okay? But for the start, okay, maybe you can just start with slow, okay, slow all the way. Okay? You can practice this breathing technique for 10 minutes. You can just start with slow for 10 minutes, okay? Or maybe for initial time, maybe 10 minutes is too long for you. You just practice it as long as you like, okay, until you feel comfortable. If you feel you feel tired already, then you just rest already, okay. Not necessarily you must practice until 10 minutes, okay. I'm just saying that maximum you can practice it until 10 minutes, because this breathing technique is actually, okay, not easy, okay, to practice, okay, for 10 minutes, especially for beginner, okay, for new learner. So let's start now, okay, get ready. You're not very sure whether your abdomen is actually contracting. You can actually place your hand on the abdomen for a start first, okay, to have a feel, okay. Your abdomen is actually contracting, okay, when you exhale out. Okay, ready? Just relax first. Before you start, you can start with slow pace, okay. If you feel tired, you cannot continue, you can just stop and relax. Just take a couple of deep breathing to relax first before you continue again. Okay? Not necessarily you must continue. Okay? You can actually just stop. Okay? In between, you feel that you need to rest, to take a couple of breaths before you continue again. Okay? Just always remember you focus on the exhalation. Okay? You don't have to worry about the inhalation. Okay? Because the body automatically will know how to inhale itself. Okay? You just need to focus on your exhalation only. Okay? When you're relaxed enough, then you can continue again. Okay, some people, they might want to practice in the fast pace. They might be thinking how to inhale when doing with the exhalation in the fast pace. I have not enough time to inhale. Okay? As I mentioned, okay? You don't focus on the inhalation. You only focus on your exhalation. Okay? Your body will automatically know how to inhale itself. Okay? So you just need to focus on the exhalation. Okay, we'll go for one more round. You can feel the effect. Okay, after this breathing technique. The kind of calmness, stillness, relaxation it brings to you after this breathing technique. You can also feel the body getting lighter after this breathing technique. Okay, as you notice, this breathing technique, besides focus on the exhalation, is also work on the abdomen contracting, okay, in the jerk fast way. Therefore, actually, I mentioned earlier on, okay, pregnant ladies, okay, you are not supposed to practice this breathing technique. Okay? And for ladies having a menstruation period, you're also supposed to avoid during this period, okay, because it will actually make your flow heavy. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you all enjoy this pranayama session today and really enjoy the effect it brings to your body and mind here. And please don't forget my next video, as I mentioned, okay, will be still touch on the Kapalabhati, but with some fun and interesting way, okay, with the body movement. Okay? Because some people might find it's very difficult doing this breathing technique, just sitting on the floor or on the chair straight, okay? Just focus on exhalation only and abdomen contracting. Okay? They might find it very difficult, especially for a beginner. Okay? So you can actually making use of a body movement, okay? Some action, okay? To help you, okay? With this breathing technique, okay? By using this body, okay, movement action. Okay? So this I will bring it out in the next, okay, yoga session. Okay? We will be having a fun time, okay, and interesting. Okay? So you're going to get ready, you're going to chop wood, okay, you're going to climb a rock, you're going to roll a bowl. So we shall see you, okay, in my next, okay, video. And please don't forget, okay, to give this video a thumbs up, okay, if you like it. And you can maybe also leave down any things that you'd like to share with me, comments, okay, in my comment section, okay, any feeling experience or any effect, okay, you experience after this practice. You can share with me, okay, in my comment section, and I will be very happy to hear from you. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Okay. Thank you everyone. I shall see you in my next session. Okay. You're going to have some fun. Okay. Thank you. Namaste.